Hello students, so let us continue with the numerical part of the chapter physical quantity and measurement. This is video number 6. So at page number 33, the first numerical is given. That is the density of 3.2 gram per centimeter cube. Express it in kg per meter cube. So let us solve it. So and as we know that 1 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. So 3.2 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 3.2 into 1000 kg per meter cube. Just remove the decimal, cut it, and you will get the answer 3200 kg per meter cube. So let us move to the next numerical. It is given a piece of iron of mass 500 gram. Mass is given, that is 500 gram, has a volume of 64 centimeter cube, and the volume is given, that is 64 centimeter cube. Calculate the density of iron. So we have to calculate the density. So mass is 500 gram, volume is 64 centimeter cube, density we have to find. So as we know that density is equal to mass upon volume. Put the value here, 500 upon 64, cut with 4, 16 for the, and then 150, 4 for the, and then 35. This is equal to 35 by 4. Just divide 35 by 4 and you will get 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. So this is the answer. This is the answer of the second numericals. Now move to the third numerical. Students, it is given, find the density of a solid using the data given in the table. First of all, mass of solid is given. Mass of solid is given, let that is m1, and this is equal to 70 gram. And then initial volume of the water in measuring cylinder is given. So we can write here initial volume of water. Let take it V1, and this is given 25 ml. Then it is given final volume of water when solid is completely immersed in water. Final volume means you can write here solid plus water, that is you can take it V2, and this is equal to 40 ml. Look students, here the initial volume of the water, and when the solid is dipped in it, the volume raised to 40 ml. So we can find the volume of solid here. Volume of the solid, that is equal to V2 minus V1, that is 40 minus 25 ml, and this is equal to 15 ml, and 1 ml is equal to 1 centimeter cube. So we can write it 115 centimeter cube. Note down this point, students. 1 ml is equal to 1 centimeter cube. So volume of the solid is this. Now we have to find the density. Now density is equal to mass upon volume. Mass is given, that is 70 gram, and the volume is 15 centimeter. So 70 upon 15, cut it, 5 3 the, 5 1 the, now it is 14 by 3. Just divide 14 by 3, you will get 4.67 gram per centimeter cube. This is the answer of the third numerical. Now move to the fourth one. Fourth numerical. It is given the mass of the empty density bottle is 20 gram. When filled completely with water, its weight 65 gram, and 75 gram when filled completely with the liquid. Find the relative density of liquids. So first of all, what is given? Mass. I am just writing here empty bottle. Take it M1, and this is equal to 20 gram. Then it is given when filled completely with water. So mass of empty bottle plus water, that is given 65 gram. And the next case, it is given, let take it M2, let this is M2. In the next case, it is given mass of empty bottle plus liquid. Take it M3, and it is given 75 gram. Now students, we have to find the relative density. Relative density we have to find, and this is equal to, you can write it R D. So relative density is equal to M3 minus M1 upon M2 minus M1. This we have done already. So M3 is 75, M1 is 20, it is in gram. Then divided by M2, that is 65 minus 20 gram. So 75 minus 22, it is, so gram and gram get cancelled. So 55 upon 45. So 5 9 the, 5 11 the, it is 11 by 9. Just divide it and you will get the number 1.22. So relative density, since it is in ratio, so it do not have any units. So answer is 122. Now move to the question number 5. Numerical number 5. Again, it is given mass of the empty density bottle. The same numerical, it is mass of empty density bottle. Density bottle, take it M1 and it is given 20 gram. Then mass of bottle plus water, that is M2, and this is equal to 60 gram. And again mass of bottle plus liquid, that is M3, this is equal to 70 gram. So relative density is equal to M3 minus M1 upon M2 minus M1. So M3 is 70 minus 20 and 60 minus 20, so this is equal to 50 upon 30. Just cut it and you will get 1.25 is the answer. So students, with this we have finished with the numericals also. Now your first term syllabus is finished, so you start revising it. Soon after the lockdown there will be your unit test, so be prepared yourself, don't waste your time. So thank you very much.